Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy transparent text effect in Canva. Let's get started. Click on Create a new design and go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a new design. Now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Click on the Upload option here and select the image you want to use. Or you can go to Elements and choose a stock photo. For this example, let me choose an image from the stock photos available here. OK, now I have selected the image. Let's go to the left-hand side and add a text field. Click on Add a heading and increase the font size. Now go up to the fonts and search 210 in the search field here and scroll down at the very bottom and select this font. See, that was so easy. If you want to download this image, go to the top right hand side and click on Share and scroll down to click on Download. I hope you like this video. Please consider subscribing for more tutorials like these.